Okay, this problem seemed to be missed the most on the quiz. I will mention there was the percentile one that I think you guys were just rounding up to the next integer because the way it read was kind of misleading, and you'll see in the quiz I give you those points back. So whenever you're off by one or by a decimal, just let me know. But this question is very important you understand z-scores, and so I wanted to be sure and go over it. So basically, again, z-scores are used for standardizing data so you can compare data that have hence two different means. And so if I look at this example, it says one of the tallest living men, and so I'm going to kind of write things here, have a height of, so this is going to be the men, a height of 240 centimeters, and the women 220, and it says heights of the men have a mean, so mu, of 177 and sigma, standard deviation, of 6 centimeters. And then the women, 157 and standard deviation of 5. So basically you can see by the answers here that you're going to compare these, figure out who has the taller by looking at the z-score. So seeing who has the larger z-score. So remember the z-score, let me just write the formula here, is the data value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So if I do that for the man, 177 over 6, and I got 10.5, and then I do that for the woman, 220 minus 157 over 5, then you can certainly see that the woman is relatively taller because the z-score for her height is greater than the z-score for the man. So just be sure that you're getting this formula down, okay, because it's going to become very important from now to the rest of this class. And as I always mention, if there's any other questions that you missed on the quiz that you're still unsure of, be sure and ask me and I can do a video like this.